Okay, I'm going to introduce you to my little new friend called Stanley. Stanley Fatmax. Unusual name or whatever. Right, Stanley Fatmax. I presume it's made by Stanley. It's a Stanley knife. This one I think is absolutely amazing. I've had it for over a year now. I thought I'd do a quick video on it. So we're going to start off with the belt strap. Well, the belt holder goes on your belt. That's yeah, great. I stick it in my pocket, to be honest with you. Next is, it's a folding one, which I think is great as well. So all you do is just pull him out and he locks into position and it won't go anywhere, okay? Then you got, of course, you've got the retractable blade, which is like in 1, 2, 3 positions, and then it locks in each position as well. Okay, you're thinking, well, nothing special about that, but there is really. It's quite a clever little bit of kit. So at the back here is this handle that's nice and grippy and all sort of like, ooh, sexy little handle, okay? But you flip it over and you've got a little button. If you push that button forward, this handle pops open. Look at that. And inside there is your spare blades. And I think you can fit about 4 or 5. Not too sure how many. I think there's 4 in there, isn't there? I think there's 4. So they just pop in, and they pop in just down the side there, if you can see that. Yeah. Little sleeve holds them, that pushes forward and that holds into place, and then all you do is just close it back up again. That's clever. To close the knife, you've got a little twist edgy, if you see that. So you just push that and that'll close. But I want to show you something else. So if you use your thumb and your finger on the top, like so, push it, one-handed. Make sure the blade's in, of course. Okay, to open up, you can do it the same, one-handed. Just flick him open, and there you go. Now the next one is on this one, because you know the blades you can reverse them, so the blade will last a bit longer. So to change the blade, you attract, you push out. What's that? How would you call that? Yeah, it doesn't matter anyway. So you extract the blade. Okay, and then this little red button at the top here, just push it in, and then you have to push it quite a bit, and then the blade pops out. And then to put it back in again, exactly the same, you have to hold the blade back in, and you can put it to the first connection, which gives you a longer blade, or the second one. It's your personal choice. So you'll have a first or second, and they should just lock in, and that locks into place. It should lock into place. Oh, there we go. So short one, and then you've got the long one as well. All right, so push him in all the way. I like mine in because it's just, and then you can swap it round, because you just turn it around the other way and then put it back in again, and that's it really. I just thought I'd show you that. There's a little divot here. See that little divot? That's a wire stripper. So you can use that for stripping your wires. Very clever little bit of kit, isn't it? And there you go. That's where I thought the little knickknacks of the Stanley Fat Man. If anybody's interested in getting a Stanley blade, I think it's a magic bit of kit. It's small, it's compact, fits in your pocket or even on your belt, like I said. Retractable blade, wire cutter. But what could you ask for? Great little kit to hang around. You can even take it on fishing trips, whatever you want. All right. I'm glad, excuse me, I hope you enjoyed that little vid. If you did, take care, give it a thumbs up, that'd be great, and we'll definitely catch you in the Fatmax.